So the keep out command allows us to remove points or selection of points from our point cloud region. So if I select this region and I'm working on ground, and you can see I'm using a combination of a 3D view as well as a cutting plane view. You can see that as I scroll in and out, I can see the vehicles and the cars and other information. So if I was to come in here, I can see these cars, and what I might want to do is remove those from the point cloud. So I can use this polygon select, which might be the best option if I click on there, and then in this view I can let's pick the point cloud first, and then start my selection by dragging, left clicking and dragging. And once I do that, I can come in here and I can start to pick in this area. So I can select these point clouds. So I'm going to double left click where I want to end, and what it's going to do is select the points that are within that window. So I'm only selecting the ones that I want. So here what I can do now is I can come up to keep out, and that will remove those points from this scan, and I could do that for the trees and whatnot. And if I grab a couple extra, I got enough points, I'm not worried about grabbing maybe some of the ground points I need. But then I could work my way over here, and again I can zoom in and get a little tighter, and I can repeat the process. So I come in here, I can select these points and remove those as well.